Um, Hi Pips. So I read these so far. By the way, I didn't have enough time to make a vlog today. I was very busy. I was saying being studies. Yeah, being studies. So I didn't have time to make vlogs. So yeah, this is what I have. Yeah, I've been so far. Yeah, so far I think yeah. Um, I just want to share this with you and post something, unlike not posting anything. I've been reading Make Habits Offline. So if I get time though, you know. But yeah, today yes, how your habits shape your identity and vice versa. So basically the reason of me just reading it, I want to get rid of some stupid habits izinto ezidom nje ezifana nokuthi procrastinating, ukupostpone like into ukuthi ngifuna ukuyenza today sengifuna ukuyenza kusasa nanani into ezinjalo, you know, because such habits they actually delay progress in your life. Izinto ezifana nabo abo consistency. If you are not being consistent, it's even also gonna, you know, ruin your progress in life. So those are like things that I'm trying to get rid of instead, because now I know what's in I've completed alcohol, sex, and smoking. So now I'm trying to like work more on myself internally, because outside I'm better actually. So yeah, so now I'm trying to work more kuzinto ezingaphakathi zasengqondweni and become a better person. So yeah, uh, why is it so easy to repeat bad habits and so hard to form good ones? Okay, few things can have a more powerful impact on your life than improving your daily habits, and yet it is likely that this time next year you'll be doing the same thing rather than doing something better. That's really true. It often feels difficult to keep good habits going for more than a few days, even with sincere effort and the occasional burst of motivation. Habits like exercise, meditation, journaling, and cooking are reasonable for a day or two and then become a hassle. However, once your habits are established, they seem to stick around forever, especially the unwanted ones. That's true. Despite our best intentions, unhealthy habits like eating junk food, watching too much television, procrastinating, and smoking can feel impossible to break because they are hard. And changing our habits is challenging for two reasons. Number one, we try to change the wrong thing. And number two, we try to change our habits in the wrong way. Okay. In this chapter, I'll address the first point. In the chapters that follow, I'll answer the second. Our first mistake is that we try to change the wrong thing. To understand what I mean, consider that there are three levels at which change can occur. Okay. You can imagine them like the layer of an opinion. I mean, the layers of an onion, three layers of behavior change. Okay, these are the three layers. We have the outcome, the process, identity. The first layer is changing your outcomes. This level is concerned with changing your results. Losing weight. Okay, nah, isikhathi siba side manje. I can't make a longer vlog. I mean, a longer video, but it's a vlog anyway. But yeah, so I need to cancel this. I'll catch up with you guys next time. I don't know when, but I doubt because you'll catch me in this page. But anyway, good night.